Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen after this particular range, a range of $3 and $2, we have seen that it has made a two highs, 3.5 and 3.6, which you can see looking at this particular chart. And I've categorically told you that as soon as the price started going above a level of 2.7, chance of going further upside we can see. After that, what happened? We have seen a continuous downfall. Until now we have not seen that it has touched this particular level, but it has touched a level of 3.1. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, it is at the bottom of its, okay, after making a low of around $2.023. okay, we have seen it has moved below this particular level, and yes, chances will be very high. If the price keeps moving below this particular level, we will see it will cross a level of $2, and we can see it can move further because it is very close to it of its $2 zone. Okay, and chances can be high it can cross this level because all these levels are being a weak support, so chances of going further low we can see. Okay, now as soon as it move out from that zone, we will see that this level is after July of 2020 we have seen. Okay, this is the starting phase was the pandemic, and the price has come to that particular level also, and chances will be very high a further fall we can see if the price didn't sustain this level. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart also, chances of going towards 1.8 also we can see, and from there a probability of crossing 1.6 also we can see. And once the price started going below this level, a further fall. But if started moving above a level of around 2.3, then there is a chances that it can touch a level of 2.5, and from there we can see it can go towards 2.7. But overall trend, if you look at this, there is a continuous downfall. If you look at the dollar index also, see the dollar index is continuously moving upside, and it's also had made a sharp rise. That is where we have seen the fall in the price of gold. As soon as I've already explained you that, see this level we have seen after 2 months. Okay, and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see because there is a zone breakout happens. Okay, so the dollar is starting to strengthen. Okay, so there is a higher chances that we can see there will be a week in the commodities, because as I've already explained you, suppose the price of X quantity is, they have to pay a Y amount of dollars. Okay, because if they are importing, they have to pay this amount for this quantity, but when the price of dollar increases, they have to pay more for the same quantity. Okay, this is what the price of dollar is affecting the price of all these commodities. Okay, now suppose if the price, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, if a swing form, because we can see for today there is a green candle is forming, but overall trend is downside. But I have to explain you on both the sides because market is always uncertain. So to reduce the uncertainty, try to put the SL, it will save your capital. Okay, and once you are comes in profit, try to trail your SL, it will save your profit. If these two things you are doing, chances of making profit will be there and sustainability will be there for the longer period of time. But suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.0957, and once the price started going up this level, a probability of going towards 2.1618 is there. 2.1618 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there, okay, and if the price started sustaining up that level, a further upside we can see towards $2.3, and from there a probability of crossing 2.678. As soon as it moves out of the zone, a further upside we can see, then we can see it will go towards a level of 2.4476, and if that level sustain, a further high we can see towards $2.53716. Okay, and if the price keep moving over that level, a further upside we can see towards $2.66514 and from there a probability of going towards $2.77754. Okay, and if the price keeps sustaining above that level, a further upside we can see, and once the price started going over that level, a further high we can see towards 2.8. As soon as the price started sustaining over 2.7, there will be a higher chances that it will move towards a level of 2.8, and from there a probability of crossing a level of $3 we can see. Once the price started sustaining over $3, a further upside we can see towards 3.1, to a level of 3.3, and as soon as started sustaining of 3.3, we can see it will cross a level of 3.5 and then a further upside movement we can see. As I've already explained you that market is always uncertain. Okay, so always try to setting your SL and trailing your SL is very important. So suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can cross a level of around $2.0267, which is already being a weak support. So chances are it will fall below that level, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2.0170. Once the price started falling below this level, it will fall further down, and yes, from there a level of 1.9507 we can see. Okay, and if that level move further low, a further fall we can see. From there a probability of going towards 1.7. If the price keep falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards $1.6267 is there, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.5250. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, a further fall. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started falling below 1.6, chances of crossing level of 1.5250 will be there, and from there a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,